Ever wondered how to create thumbnails that stand out like a pro? What if I told you that with the power of AI, you could design eye-popping thumbnails just like your favorite YouTubers, including Mr. Beast, in literally 1 second? Welcome to the future of content creation. In this video, I'm going to reveal how you can harness the magic of ChatGPT and secret AI tool to craft thumbnails that not only grab attention, but also boost your views. No design skills required, just pure AI brilliance. Ready to make your videos shine and stand out from the crowd? Let's dive in, and I'll show you how to create thumbnails that get clicks, subscribers, and engagement faster than you can say thumbnail. In just a 4-step, this is very special thing for you in last. So please see 4 till end. Make sure see every step clearly, and don't skip a video on any step. Step number 1. Open your browser and go on YouTube and search a video according to your topic. I search a random one. Now click on video, which thumbnail you want to create like them. Now open this video and copy this link. Step number 02. Now come on Chrome and search this YouTube thumbnail downloader and go on this web. You do not need to take tension. I put link of all website in description. Now come on, topic, open a website and paste a link. And here you get your thumbnail and download this. Step number 3. Now this is a most important step. Open ChatGPT and upload a thumbnail that you download and write this prompt. Now copy the given prompt and this is done. Before moving to 4-step, please like and share and subscribe my channel for more video in feature. Now come on topic, step number 4. Now this is a final step, don't miss and skip the video. Now you come on this website, I put this link in description. Now simply log in into this. Now you can see this interface now. Come on this option and paste your prompt, set a setting related to your video, and also a color theme and click on Generate. Now see the magic. Now you can see that how we make this thumbnail in one minds. Simply right-click and save image into gallery. Now if you see this video knowledgeable, please give a thumb and leave a comment that how we get Ideogram for live time free. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Goodbye.